La la la.
Meet
I
Cathy,
have
the
money.
pretty
La, 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 la,
puppet.
La, la, la. I will go to my family and give my money. Yeah, yeah.
Meet Jack, the puppet.
I am broken hearted.
Wow! Wow! Money! 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 Yes! Money! Wow! 100! Wow! You can see that this is money. I am so swerte. I am so lucky. I'm so lucky. I will go to my family. I'll go to my family. Yay! I have a money.
At
I
Jack's
money.
residence.
I will buy cell phone. I will buy I will buy a food lechon. I will go to the market. I will go to the mall. I will shop at Shopee and Lazada at 12. Yay! I have a money.
Where did I
At Cathy's
put my money?
residence.
I have lost my money. I could have given it to my family and buy medicine. I am so sad.
Hey, Cathy. Why are you so sad, Cathy? Hi, Jack.
Jack, have you seen my money, Jack? Have you seen my money, Jack?
What? Money? Sin money? 100? No, 100? No, I don't see money. I'm going to my family. Ha, bye-bye. Love you.
What, Jack? The money that I have was the only money that I have, and I couldn't give it to my family. I'm so sad.
Huh? Did she mean
At
that
Jack's
he is going to give that
residence.
money to her family? Huh? Money? Family? No, that money is mine. I have on it. That's mine. This is my money. But she is going to give it to her family. I am so bad. I will return it to him.
Her
No.
guru, dili
It's
isi.
mine. That's mine. But I will return it to her, or I will shop at Shopee. Go.
At Cathy's residence.
I am so sad.
Hey, Daddy. Jack, it's you again. Have you seen my money? No, I don't see your money. But I want to give you something. What's that? Ta-da! This is your money. I have found it yesterday. Wow, my money! Thank you, Jack. Thank you. That's my money. Wow. But why didn't you return it yesterday? Sorry, Cathy, but I have thought that it was mine, but it is wrong to take it because that's for your family. Wow, you are so kind, Jack. You're such a good friend, Jack. Thank you so much. Sorry, Cathy.